Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the default font on Windows. While Windows typically uses Seago UI variable as its standard, you can easily personalize your system's appearance. The first step is to choose your desired font. You can select from already installed fonts or download a new one. Once you have your font, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Fonts, and carefully note its exact full name. Next, you will create a special registry file. Open Notepad and paste the provided code. Crucially, replace your font name with the precise full name of the font you selected earlier. For example, if your font is Arial Bold, you would type that. Then save this file. Go to File, then Save As, choose All Files for the type and name it something like Change Font. Reg. This file will modify your system's font settings. Now it is time to apply your new font. Locate the reg file you just created, perhaps on your desktop, and double-click it. You will see a couple of prompts asking for confirmation to merge the changes into your registry. Click Yes for both. After successfully merging, you must restart your computer. Upon rebooting, your chosen font will be applied across many system elements, including menus, File Explorer, and various dialog boxes. Should you ever wish to revert to the original Windows font, the process is straightforward. Open Notepad again and paste the specific code for restoring default fonts. Save this new file as default font. Reg, ensuring the All Files type is selected. Double-click this file and confirm the prompts to merge it. Finally, restart your computer one more time. Your system will then display the familiar Seago UI variable font, returning to its default appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.